What up, my people? It's your boy CD 177. Just got my pickup from my FFL. We got the Shadow Systems. This is an Xr920p. Let's take a look. Just picked it up, walked in the house. Comes with a nice range bag. What is this? Instruction, Shadow System manual, pamphlet. Okay, let's see what's in the contents. Let me see if I can zip this up in one hand. It's a nice carrying case. There's the gun. Yeah, that's sexy. Compensated. Yeah, it's optics ready, direct mount. Nice stippling on the texture. Got a foot mag well. Yeah, blacked out rear and nice high visible sight. Some texturing, some window cuts, serration. Okay. I like that. Let's see what else comes in here. Unboxing. We got different back straps. Got a punch tool. We got some Loctite, and it looks like some spacers for the, when I put my optic on there, which I have the 507 comp green. So what else we got? And we got this bullshit key lock, which is actually kind of cool with the Shadow System shit, but so far I like it, man. Size of a Glock 17. Never had a comp gun before, but this is a new hype. It's really light. Really, really light. It also comes with 2 Magpul magazines. So, yeah, this is nice, man. I'm gonna show y'all a video after I get everything installed and how we see how she looks then. All right, anyway, it's a quick unboxing. Shadow Systems. Xr920p, right? Or is this the MR order? This is the Xr920, yep, Xr920p. Peace.